What's up everyone, Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com, back with a new video. In today's quick short video, we're going to take a look at the autofocusing system on the brand new Fujifilm X-H2S. We're going to do quick little comparisons, going to put things right in front of it and see how quick the Fujifilm X-H2S autofocus is if you're going to be showing off products for your tech reviews, things like that. Let's talk about it. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here we talk a lot of things tech, videography, cinematography, gadgets, teching out, geeking out, gaming, you name it. We try to cover it on this channel. If that sounds like something you're interested in, do yourself a favor and myself a favor, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you'll be notified of each and every time we post content to the channel, which does include the occasional live video. I know it's been a while since we've done one, but we have done them in the past. I'm looking to potentially bring those back in the future and making them a little bit more of a main stage here on the channel. Let me know down in the comments what you think about that. All right, so as the intro kind of suggested, we're gonna do some quick tests on the autofocusing system on the brand new Fujifilm X-H2S. Now, one of the cameras that I really enjoyed the autofocusing wasn't really a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. It was a pocketable point and shoot camera from Sony, the ZV-1. It had great autofocus, allowed me to bring in items quickly, autofocus tremendously quick, and then focus back on my face. It had an option in there called Product Showcase, which I really think Sony knocked out of the park. It was meant for vloggers, but I really think it's a great camera when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. It's still one of my all-time favorite cameras to recommend for individuals starting a YouTube channel. But what we're going to do is take a look at the X-H2S and kind of put it through some tests as far as, showing off objects, things like that, bringing them up close to the lens and then removing it. Now, full disclosure, this camera is my own. It was not sent to me. It's not a review unit. Fuji didn't outreach to me, although I wouldn't mind if they did, but this camera was bought with my own money. This opinion is my own. The tests are my own. I'm just going to try and show you guys as best as I can really quickly the autofocusing coming right out of the Fujifilm X-H2S. So we're going to start off with is a little mouse that I just recently picked up for my iPad Pro. It is the Logitech Pebble. And so normally what I would do is show you the item like this, talk about it, blah, 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 blah. Great mouse, right? Which it is, spoiler alert. Great mouse, great travel mouse if you are utilizing your iPad Pro as your main computer. And then normally what I would do is say, okay, now this mouse, blah, 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 right? So try that one more time. Here's the product, kind of showing you. And then now having it go back to my face. Now the ZV-1 does it almost within a second. It's very, very quick. The Fujifilm does it a little bit more slower, a little bit more cinematic or whatever, if you will. But in my opinion, still a great, great autofocusing system for the Fujifilm cameras. Fujifilm has had, its issues occasionally with autofocus when it comes to video. Photography, out of the park. I mean, in my opinion, the best autofocusing, especially if you utilize single point, which a lot of times I utilize with all my photography, unless I'm doing fast moving objects on wedding days, people doing, walking down the aisle kind of quickly or doing first dances, things like that. I primarily shoot with single point autofocus. Now, another thing that I did want to bring up is right now we are filming in 6.2K full sensor on the Fujifilm X-H2S. Shooting in f-log1, and I'm color grading with the LUT that comes directly from Fujifilm, along with the creative LUT that I created myself to give it a little bit more of a Fujifilm look, in my opinion. So what we're gonna do now is bring up another item to the camera real quick, and what we're gonna use right here is one of these SanDisk Extreme SSD drives. So I'll be talking about it right here. This SSD, in my opinion, is a great companion, not only for you MacBook Pro users, you PC users, iPad users, you name it. I really, really enjoy utilizing these little SSDs. I'm moving the item back and forth. And then now the focus is back to my face. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. What you think of the autofocus on the Fujifilm X-H2S. I think it's awesome. I think Fujifilm is slowly starting to get into the arena, if you will, when it comes to autofocusing. Now, I still think at the very, 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 very top is Sony, and a close second, let's call it 1A and 1B, is Canon. But I really do think that Fujifilm is creeping up there, and if you are a Fujifilm lover and a fanboy such as myself, you cannot help but get super excited about the potential on the Fujifilm cameras. Not only the X-H2S now, but moving forward with their next flagship cameras, the X-T5, the X Pro 4, the X-H2, not the S model that we have now, but the X-H2 that's rumored to be coming out. All of these should improve on the autofocusing system. that wraps up this quick short video, everybody. I just wanted to show you the autofocusing capabilities on the brand new Fujifilm X-H2S. If there's any other tests that you're looking for me to do that maybe I haven't talked about, what we're going to be doing some autofocusing when it comes to photography. I'm going to be doing some recordings to my Ninja 5 Plus and kind of showing you what that looks like on the video side. But let me know down in the comments, are there any other videos or tests that you're looking for me to do on the brand new Fujifilm X-H2S? I'm also utilizing the new 23mm f1.4 weather sealed lens. Great lens, great bokeh. You can see the background is super soft, super nice. But again, that wraps up this quick video. Just wanted to show you guys the autofocusing test on how I would use this camera if I was running a YouTube studio and doing tech reviews, gear, gadgets, things like that. Thank each and every one of you for stopping on by. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers and hopefully hitting the major goal of 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. Thank each and every one of you beautiful human beings for stopping on by, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.